Hi guys, welcome back to Fbmfox. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can take your Google Sheet and import it into Fbmfox for price tracking. So basically, some of you guys have been using a Google Sheet, and that way you list your products onto Facebook Shops. Well, you could import that Google Sheet into Fbmfox for automatic repricing, and this video is going to show you how to do that. So here I have a Google Sheet, and all I need to do in that Google Sheet is just click on File and then click on Download and click on Microsoft Excel. Once that's done, I will be prompted with a download screen. I'm just going to download that file. When the file is downloaded, the file will look like this, right? So here I have my file. Then all I have to do is go into Fbmfox, and I need to click on Import, and then I click on Facebook Shops, and then I select that sheet that I just downloaded from Google, and I click on Open, and here you can see that I've attached my sheet, and then just click on Save Changes. Now all of my products that were in my sheet, my Google Sheet, are now in Fbmfox, but there's one thing that we're missing, and that is the price tracking. So how do you turn that on? Well, you have to add a supplier link, right? The way you do that in bulk is just by clicking Export, and you will have a products Excel sheet appear, and it looks like this. If I click on Enable Editing, you will see that the supplier link is empty, right? So in the supplier link, I just need to find my supplier links. Most likely you have them in another Excel sheet. Just go ahead and paste them and then click on Save Changes. So just save your Excel sheet and then click on X and then click on Import and click on General Fbmfox and select that Excel sheet that you just saved where you added the supplier links, and then click on Open and then click on Save Changes. Now, once that's done, if you click on Edit, you will see that your supplier link is in every single product, right? Just like how you put it into your Excel sheet. And now you really just need to do a few quick updates on all your products. So you just need to click on Edit Template and set your shops template. So I'm going to make it, shops 5. So set the shops template. At that point, you are good to go. Everything is set, and your price tracking will automatically just begin in an hour or two. It says price tracking is turned off for this product. So you need to select all and then click on Auto Update Price, click Apply, and click Yes, Turn On. And then select all and then select the bulk actions, then click on Auto Update Stock, and then click Apply and click Yes, Turn On. And then select all and then click on Track Supplier Price, click Apply, and then click Yes, Turn On. So now it says price tracking will automatically begin in 1 to 2 hours if the supplier link is set. So the supplier link is set and it is right here. And your header and footers are set, your template is set, your pricing is set, and your repricing settings is set along with your Facebook Shops channel. And all you have to do is wait, and it will get pushed right into your Facebook shop once you link the data feed. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys have a great one. Bye.